This is a body composition scale that can measure body fat. Yes, you heard me right, and it can accurately measure it, and it's also portable as hell. We're going to check it out. We're going to unbox it, so stay tuned and let's have a look. This is a product over here. This is the box for the Hume Pod. Thank you, Hume Health, for sending me this product to check it out, to review it and see how it is. As you know, on this channel we only do honest reviews, so I will give my honest opinion on what I think of it. So this is a great product. It's not a scale, it is a body composition analyzer. So it's a smart body composition analyzer, which means it looks super in-depth into data like your body mass index, your body weight, muscle mass percentage, and body fat percentage as well. So this is going to be super awesome, especially on my weight loss journey. I really want to try and start losing weight and being a bit more healthy and getting a bit more fit, and this is going to be a prime component, prime piece of tech that I'm definitely going to need for my journey. We've got a nice little picture here of the actual device as well. Pretty nice packaging, to be honest with you. Got a few details around here as well. You can see over here as well that it is also within 3% accuracy of medical grade DEXA scan, and it's FDA listed as well. On that note as well, if you are from the US and you're one of my US viewers, it also qualifies for HSA and FSA expense as well. So if you're in the US, you would know what that is and how to sort that out as well. But this product also qualifies for that as well. Looking underneath over here, you can see a little bit more of what it can actually offer and scan and look at. So you can look at your metabolic age, your body fat, your body water, body weight, body mass index, bone mass, visceral fat, body fat mass, basal metabolic rate, muscle weight, muscle mass, protein weight, weight without fat, protein mass, subconscious fat, standard weight, and also weight controls. I mean, you can look at a lot. Some of this stuff I don't even know what it does. If you're super into your fitness or you're like a PT, you definitely know that this is quite good. Like, it does quite a lot. But let's go ahead, let's actually check it out and see it anyway. So I've actually already opened it up and obviously been using it as well for a little while now, and I have to say it is really good. It connects up with your Hume app as well, so it's really nice. So we're first introduced with the actual product itself, which is here. The one thing I don't like about this, it does look nice with the premium gloss finish, but it is really fingerprint magnety. You can see here it gets really dirty and fingerprint magnet quick. There must be a reason why they've done this for the sensors underneath, but yeah, that can be one thing annoying as well. And the same thing with the actual handle as well, super fingerprint magnety. So it does get to a point where it does need to be cleaned every now and then. But that's the product anyway. We'll put that to a side, we'll look further into that. Else in the packaging, we got our charging cable, which is a USB type C to USB type A charging cable. The cable is like a really cheap quality cable, like it's super thin, like doesn't feel like good quality. It's just a cheap cable. I mean, it does the job right, it's just meant to charge. I've got a couple of things over here, so like the wall plugs and screws, so you can mount it onto a wall as well with this device over here. So you got two holes here, so you can screw it, or you can just put it on with the 3M tape sticky mount and you can mount it on the wall. It's pretty much it that came with here. There weren't no other manual or anything like that. So I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. As soon as you step on the scales, it does turn on, and as soon as it turns on like so, you can then see the Bluetooth logos flashing and you can download it. So I've been using this device for a couple of weeks now, a few days here and there where I've been weighing myself, and I have to say it is really good. Now, there's a lot of companies out there that do devices similar to this, such as Withings, Renpho, Omron and inBody, but this one here, I just have to say, is really user friendly, and it's just a really good scanner, right? So it is a body scanner. It's called the Body Pod. It's a powerful body scanner, and it's really good for actually tracking your health and understanding your health and fitness level. And like, it's really good. I've been really finding it hard to track my fitness level, but this body scanner has really helped me out with that. The build quality is absolutely fantastic, and we've got like this glass finish which just looks really nice. The Hume branding in the middle looks premium, and it just looks super sleek and really good as well. With the Hume Health and the body pod and also the app as well, and even if you have the Hume band, you can easily start to understand like how your body reacts to different types of food, sleep, stress, and a lot of other factors. And then you can start making like informed health choices to try and live a better life, and also lose some weight, see your body fat and be better with that as well. So this body pod is actually the world's first body analyzer, and it uses 8 frequency sensors to deliver precise body weight, full body composition, and also heart health to advance your weight and health management journey. So it's actually really good. Those advanced sensors are embedded in the handle as well. So you see on the top over here, those advanced sensors are also embedded in there. So not only does it scan your legs and from your feet and your weight, it can also scan your torso, arms and legs, and even the heart at an accuracy of 98%. So when you compare that to medical grade health scans, that's really good. The body pod comes with a free app as well. We'll dive into the app as well in a little bit and have a look at that. But accuracy wise, I think it's really, really good. Where like a traditional smart scale just gives you like a good baseline of like you measure basic composition with it. This one here actually measures a lot more. So a basic one normally only measures like the lower half of your body, and it uses an equation to calculate the rest of your body. Whereas the body pod actually measures your full body composition. Well, like I said, with medical grade accuracy up to 98% due to the handle over here as well. It's on par with like inBody machines that cost like $20,000, those machines that you find at the gym. Now you can have one of these in your home, like a medical grade analyzer in your home, and I think it's really, really good as well. We'll also have a look at the app because the app is really good and user friendly too, but the build quality of this device is super, super good. Like all smart scales and like body analyzers out there provide you with measurements, but people don't really know what to do with those measurements. But with the body pod, it uses like AI to study your behavior, like your sleep, your nutrition, your activity, and it connects that with your body data and provides you with genuine personalized feedback and insight, so you can easily understand which areas you need to work on. And that's one of the most amazing features about this device and with the app as well. So let's go grab my iPad and let's check out the app. So here is the app. You can already see it is very user friendly, and you can see I've got 4 weigh-in dates already on there as well. To simply start weighing, you just open the app. Make sure your Bluetooth is on as well. As soon as you step on the scale, you do need to step on the scale barefoot. Then you can just grab the handle, hold it for a little while, and then the app will start to update and pick up that it's connected. So you can see on the top left it's connected. It's telling you to hold the handle. It's got my weight over there as well. It's now measuring my body water. So it's very accurate, and it's also very quick as well. You can see here it's now measuring a bunch more. Measuring my lean tissue. And the scale will literally tell you to just stay on here, and you just stay on here while the loading is happening. So it's measuring my bone mass, my protein rate. There you go, weighing is completed. You can then step off the machine, and you'll go straight into here as well. Now I really want to lose weight and to get a lot more fit and healthy as well. Ideally you should do your weigh-ins in the morning, but obviously for the video I'm just doing it right now just to show you what the screen looks like. But it's really simple and self-explanatory. You just have to step on the scale barefoot and hold the handle up with your arms out, and just hold it until the screen stops loading like so. The app is really user friendly. You can see over here I really love like the graphs they show here. So this is a humanoid graph. And it also breaks down like your muscle and fat distribution in your arms, your legs, your trunk, and each leg as well. Like it's really, really good. So this is measuring my muscle. Look at my percentage of my fat. You can see I need to definitely work on myself here. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this scale, using it all the time and seeing my progress as well. You can also see progress graphs and track your daily, weekly, and monthly progress. So you can see I did really well here. These are all my charts. So that was April 27 at 98.4, then 98.5, 97.7, 97.4. So you can see this gradual decline as well. So I did make some sort of progress. And you can slide along this chart and see even further dates as well. 99.3 on May 2nd. So it is really easy and really useful. You can also filter this through like weight, BMI. So now you can see the BMI instead. You can still skeletal muscle mass, body fat percentage, body fat mass, subcutaneous fat mass, subcutaneous fat percentage, lean mass percentage, skeletal mass, bone mineral content, body water percentage. I mean, there is so much in here. You can just read through all of these. Like, there is a lot of options there. I could be here all day reading through this. I know for most people like myself, a lot of this stuff I don't truly understand. And that's why the body analyzer uses AI to study my behavior. It studies my sleep, my nutrition, my food, my activity, and it connects all my body data and then gives me personalized feedbacks and insights so I can actually easily understand what's going on with this and what it's telling me. And it can also tell me what I need to work on as well, which is what's really good about it. So the app is really nice, really useful, and really easy to set up. Another great feature that the app offers is plans, programs, and classes, which you can go through, run through these videos, and do like home workouts and stuff, which is really nice and really useful. I have to say, like, this is a really great feature, and not many apps come with these things. So it's really nice, and it sort of shows me like what I need to do to work out at the home. Because when I'm at home and I don't really know what to do, I just leave it and I'm just like, I'm afraid, and I just go, I'm just not going to do it. Having videos and programs and classes is really helpful. So there we have it, guys. This is Hume's body composition scale, and it can measure body fat and give you AI personalization help and a bunch of data as well. This is the Body Pod. This is the unboxing and review video, and I have to say it is a really good device. Build quality, looks, ease of use, UI friendly. It just has everything. And when you compare it with equipment that's out there, like from inBody, and they cost like $20,000, this is so much cheaper, and it does the same thing, and you can have it in the comfort of your home, which means you could work out at home and not have to worry if you can't go to the gym and do workouts there. It helps you out, and it helps you monitor, and it helps you track, and it really, really helps you on the right path on losing weight, being fitter, and being more healthier. And I have to say, this is a very good product. I'm going to have to score it a solid 9 out of 10. It is a fantastic product, and if you are interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.